Good morning, my dear children and parents. How are you all? Everybody is good? Very nice. So, my dear children, we have completed with the lesson 3 questions written by Leo Tolstoy from your Honeycomb book. We have also completed with the author's history and the summary of the lesson. Okay, my dear children? Fine. Now coming up with the question answers of the lesson. So first question, why was the king advised to go to magician? Some people said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time to do something, it was necessary to look into future. Only magicians could look into future. The king, therefore, would have to go to the magicians. Question number 2. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? In answer to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors, others said the priests, a few others also chose the doctors, yet the others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. Question number 3. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? In answer to the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. Did the wise men win the reward? If not, why? No. The wise men did not win any reward because the king got different answers for all the 3 questions. The king was not satisfied with the answers he got. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? The king and the hermit gave the wounded man shelter and protection him from the army. The king washed covered the wound with his handkerchief. The king redressed the wound until the bleeding stopped completely. They gave him fresh water to drink and carried him into the hut where he laid for rest. Who was the bearded man? The bearded man was enemy of the king who sought to revenge him for seizing his property and putting his brother to death. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? He asked for the king's forgiveness because the king saved his life. He came there to take revenge from the king, but instead the king helped him to get better. Question number 8. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? The king was happy that he made peace with his enemy so easily and to have won him over as a friend. The king not only gave the bearded man but also said that he would send his servant and his own doctor to look after him. He promised that he would return the man his property. What were the hermit's answer to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? In reply to king's first question, the hermit said that there is one important time now. It is the only time when you have the power of act. In answer to the king's second question, the most important person is with whom we are at present. In response to king's last question, the hermit said that the most important thing is to do that person's good. I like the answer for the first question because time has supreme power. It can take you to heights if you do something good and also make you fall on ground if you want. One should live and act according to present. Now one question. Imagine you are the king. Narrate the incident of your meeting the hermit. As the king, I was aware that the hermit helped only the ordinary men, so I left my servants and bodyguards there. I went and met him wearing simple clothes. He was an old man who used to live in a hut amidst the wood. He was digging the ground in front of his hut when I went there. He greeted me and continued his work. I told him the purpose of my visit, but still he kept on digging the ground. He was looking very tired, so I offered him to help. He agreed, so I took the spade from him and started digging the ground. After digging for many hours, I repeated my questions, but the hermit did not answer. As evening was approaching and I thought of returning back, suddenly the hermit showed me a bearded man who was running towards us. Next question. Imagine you are the hermit. Write briefly the incident of your meeting the king. One day I was digging in my garden. A man in ordinary clothes came to meet me. I knew he was a king, but I still pretended to be unaware of his identity. He told me that he had come to me to get answers of his 3 questions. I greeted him and continued digging the ground. I was tired digging the ground. The king noticed this and offered his help. I agreed and gave my spade to him. After digging 2 beds in the ground, the king repeated his question. I ignored him again and rather asked him if he was tired and would like me to dig the ground. But he refused to do so and continued the task. Evening approached and it seemed that he was ready to leave. At that very moment, we saw a man running towards us. Okay, children, so these are the questions. Some extra things are there. Now, the word meaning of the lesson. So, you will make columns and in one column you will write word and other column you will write meaning. So, first is council. A group of people chosen to give advice or to make rules. Counselors, members of council. Hermit, a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Wood or woods, a small forest. Affairs, things, matters, business or work. Bed, small patches of ground for plant. Fainted, lost conscious. Redressed, dressed again. Seized, took by force. Faithful, loyal and true. Wounded, severely injured. Awoke, got up from sleep. Forgive, pardon. Pity, feel sorry for. Return, give back. Now, in this story, as I told you before, there is 3 important characters and we will be defining the characters. So, first is the hermit. The hermit, children, I have given the bold words as a new words and the meaning in the bracket. So, kindly learn the meaning of the new words and try to use these new words in your answers. Okay. So, meaning उसके अंदर ब्रैकेट में मैंने लिखी हुई है. न्यू वर्ड्स को मैंने हाईलाइट किया हुआ है, बोल्ड किया हुआ है और जस्ट बगल में उसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर उसकी मीनिंग्स लिखी हैं. ठीक है. तो आप उस मीनिंग्स को पढ़ेंगे और ये जो नए वर्ड्स हैं इसको अपने आंसर्स में यूज़ करेंगे. इज़ दैट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? फाइन. So here about the hermit. The hermit is an impoverished, that is poor, outcast, outsider who lives a simple life. He is frail and weak and is barely able to turn the soil with his spade. He is very wise man who concern himself with the present. The hermit is discreet as well as perceptive. He did not meddle where he is not needed. He was king and helpful. He was kind and helpful. He helped the injured men in trouble and satisfied the king with his answers that were related to the practical situation of life. Then the bearded man. The bearded man was king's enemy who swore, that is promised, revenge on kings because king seized his property and also killed his brother. He was honest and down to the earth. When he was attacked by the soldiers of the king, he had rushed towards the hermit's hut and sought for help. After getting the treatment and being asked about his identity, he told the truth about himself, which shows he was honest. Then he asked for forgiveness to the king for his mistake, implying he was very down to the earth. Then king. The king is conscientious, that is careful, but ambitious, motivated. He just wants to know the answer of the 3 questions. When he was not able to find those answers, he again continued his search. His compassionate nature, that is kind nature, forgive attitude clearly proves that he wanted success not for himself but for his kingdom. This also proved that he was not at all selfish. He chooses the wise hermit, which showed his foresightedness and intelligence. The inherent nature of the king is to do well and be good. The hermit was a wise man who stays in a nearby village. The hermit would only see common people. However, so the king put on common dress, left his guards behind and went to see the hermit. Okay children, now coming up with the moral of the story, what we have learned from this story. So first point that we learn from the story is elders have full of wisdom. All the ways answer were given by the hermit. So the way hermit have given the answer proves that all the elders have good knowledge. So listen to them. There is always a perfect timing. This is shown when the hermit did not bother to answer every time about the 3 questions asked by the king. If he answered them, the king will go back home and be killed. Through perfect timing, the hermit did not answer and the king did not go home and was not killed. Third is forgiveness. Even the king knew that the man he helped is his enemy. He still chose to help him and forgive him. Okay, my dear children. So these are the question answers of the lesson, and we have also studied about the 3 characters of the story. They are hermit, the king and the bearded man, and the moral of the story. So write down all this in your notebook. Okay, till then, bye, take care.